Check this one, guys, this is amazing. At first, I wasn't thinking about opening a trade here, because I was waiting for another big trend. But I said, why not? While I'm waiting for my signal, let's enter here and see what will happen. Yeah, guys, behind every profitable trade is discipline. Yeah, my strategy may look direct and uncomplicated, but that's only because it's been shaped over years of refinement. Yeah, the market teaches you that less is more, and that's why my strategy works across markets. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.